We've gone to Motorhome, our local caravan suppliers and motorhome suppliers, and we noticed as we were driving past that there was a roller team for sale. But we've just come to have a look at it because we always like roller teams, and we've just noticed
Quite a lot of
construction going on at the thing, so we're going to have a see what's going on. Yeah, this whole area here used to be like the area where they put all the caravans. You could look at them in the motorhomes, but it's just they're digging it all up, and obviously they're putting that other big showroom up the other side, aren't they?
Well, it's quite remarkable the amount of building work that's been going on. I mean, they just resurfaced the road coming in, didn't they, as well recently? With the big showroom as well. Even though at the NEC last they didn't actually bring any caravans whatsoever, they must have had a reasonable.
But it's not a good show.
A good show, yeah.
But it is feeling less and less caravans at this showroom and more motorhomes and camper vans and stuff.
Yes, we're going to go and have a look at one right now.
Let's go and look at that roller team. We always like roller teams, don't we?
Yes, definitely.
Not that we're going to go to the dark side.
Oh, no.
No.
Well, I mean, you never know.
No.
Let's go have a look inside.
It's cosy in here.
It's quite cozy.
Is that door opening? So what do you think?
I like it. I really like it. I like these photos.
So what do you think?
I really like it.
We've always liked roller teams. So what about roller teams? I don't know what the industry thoughts are, or the people's thoughts are on roller teams. You know.
I think it's quite. I think it's. I've not met a person that has said, "Oh, I really like the roller teams."
It's weird, isn't it? You like Adria's as well, and it's got that similar sort of Adria feel to it, a little bit, a bit IKEA-y, a bit sort of.
It's minimal, less faff, and
sleek.
It's just sleek, and it's really nice. I really like it. It's my sort of style. I like the fact that the seats, there's no like upholstery, beige, bilious
Curtains
cushions.
there, look, there's curtains there.
There are curtains, but actually they're just really plain white net ones. There's no like shiny fabrics or anything.
Handles?
Handles are really quite sleek as well, aren't they?
Wait, it has handles. I know, yeah.
It does, but like they're pretty decent. They're pretty slimline. Look, strip lighting underneath here as well, which is quite nice. This all drops down as well, so that would be one bed for Esther. Already just dropped down here.
What berth is this?
It's a 4.
4 berth, alright, nice.
Well, I'm assuming it's a 4. Yeah, 4 berths, this one. And 4 seat belts as well.
And how much is it?
It's £53,000.
And what year is it?
2021.
2021, right.
Yes. It's a ZEFRIO, isn't it? It's a ZEFRIO 685, so it's lovely. I really like it. I like the dark wood. I like the table being like this as well, because I'm assuming this is also
dark wood. I think it's white. It's light wood, isn't it? All white. There's darker bits as well.
So you got the dark wood here.
Yeah, with the white highlights
and then
stuff.
the white highlights, which just really contrasts well.
Now the kitchen's a bit minimal, but does the job.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind having 3. We've talked about this before, and actually, I don't mind having a 3-hob and
just
having
a little
extra
space. You've got a little bit. I suppose you've got just as much space as the other one.
Yeah, but he's still even got a cooker, hasn't it?
Got a shower. Proper shower here.
Look, this is really handy. Have a look.
Oh, we're back in the kitchen.
What's this?
Yeah, nice cutlery drawer.
There's storage underneath there as well.
Oven. Not that bothered about that, but. And then we've got everything in the shower.
Shower.
Which I don't think it's a fully fitted. Is that that's on this wall here is. I don't know. I think that feels like it's.
That's not
a sealed
unit. You can see at the top there as well. Can you
is
see
it?
that at the top there?
Which is a shame. We always like the shower units to be like completely sealed because there's less chance of it sort of wetting anything. But it's, as long as you keep the things at the bottom in good condition, that should be fine.
Maybe you wipe it clean as well afterwards. I mean, to be fair, I've never actually used a shower in my caravan, and I've had it 2 years, so.
Yeah, you can smell you now. I usually use the front side of the facilities, don't you? But when you're a motorhomer, you don't have facilities.
That's it.
It's pub stops and wild camping and lay-bys. So you have
this wall here is obviously just the wood as well here, so yeah, I guess you would just have to.
This comes across. This pulls across this. It's like a shower thing.
You would just have to wipe it clean and everything.
Let's have a look. What's in that cupboard behind you?
This one.
Is that the toilet? Oh yes.
Oh, that's good as well. Look, it actually locks that door.
Oh, you can close off the back area to the front. That's as toilets go. That's the toilet. And a little sink.
A nice sink as well. Yeah,
Little
very
window in there.
nice.
Glaze so nobody can see you.
And a nice locker as well at the top. So you're actually getting that storage, aren't you?
Mm.
It's good.
So the living area, the sleeping area.
The sleeping area. So it's got the two single beds, but here I can see here there's a flap. Look, there's a rail here, and then they've got, if you have a little look here, they've got a flap. Can you see that flap there?
So you think that pulls over?
I think that pulls over onto here, and then there must be like another
mattress bit you
put that you put in
to make a nice big. Might be a huge bed.
Oh, that'd be huge, wouldn't it? Be lovely.
Oh yes.
Very nice.
It's all it's a bit of storage up there and stuff. That's good, cool. I like it. I pulled that bit over, so obviously. You must have to put, there must be a mattress somewhere that you put over there, because that would just make sense. Otherwise, it's bonkers having that bit down. But yeah, it's good, and there's a little bit of storage underneath there. I presume there's a garage underneath at the back there as well. So this is the cab, Ford. Oh, it's very good. Oh, I mean, hello, I'm on TV, famous. And then, yeah, there's seats and the swizzle round. What they call captain's chairs or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then you've got this little.
I'm loving the fact that it's
small
not an automatic as well, because you generally always get automatics, don't you?
Don't people rate automatics though for?
I'd much rather have a stick shift. I'd much rather that, and the screen looks lovely.
It does, especially with me on it. Hello.
It's not big. You can get about
smallish
5 boxes of cornettos in there.
And yeah, it's quite a thin fridge, but it's supposed to do the job. I think you got to consider that more, especially when you're in a camper van and a motorhome, because you obviously can't really just nip off to
the shops
and get supplies. You've got to drive the whole thing there, haven't you?
Yeah, you have to pack everything up to go.
You spotted something.
Oh no!
No microwave.
There's no microwave.
Is that safe? What's that? No, that's just the control room, isn't it? Little. But yes, there's no microwave.
There's no microwave.
We always prefer to have a microwave.
So you kind of like a microwave.
It's a shame you can't take that thing out and put one in it.
I mean, what's that? Although there's knobs and stuff.
Knobs.
I mean, to be fair, there is access to that under stairs, under cab. Like you could possibly just get something out from that, from under there, and then.
What do you mean? Put a microwave? Microwave your beans down there and pass it through.
No, I'm just saying you could just, it's quite easy to access it. If you wanted a microwave, there is enough space on here that you could actually put a microwave if you wanted to.
Mm.
I mean, only just a small microwave. You could just, on here.
Yeah, it's nice though, isn't it? Do you have a quick look at the outside?
Yeah, I really like it.
Before we look outside, obviously there's a drop-down bed. You press a button, and it comes down, and then you can have another. It doesn't look like a double. Like looks to me like probably a single and a half to me. But it's you could probably maybe get 2 people. Maybe it's a double. At the back here, there's obviously a garage. If I can get into it, I can. Oh, that's the mattresses there. The things for upstairs for the double bed at the back. That's a good sized little locker at the back. Tons more space to put your. I suppose when you're a motorhome, you have to have an e-bike for some reason. It's easy to go with the territory. Bike rack at the back. It's got a Fiamma canopy thing to pull out, which is nice. How much did you say this was again?
53,000. It's a snip.
So, what do you think?
I really like it.
Yeah.
Less than 20,000 miles as well it's done. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous.
It's lovely. There's a couple of compromises with it, but it's good. I say we do like these sort of vans anyway, don't we?
Yeah,
But we're not getting one.
We could go and ask about how much this might be though. I mean, I don't know.
What if Pike's our Discovery? Watch this space, viewers. Anyway, on that bombshell, make sure you
like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
bye.
Bye.